All right, Todd, the sump pump. Just because it's kind of quietly hanging out in the basement by itself doesn't mean it can be ignored.
Definitely not, Chris. It's one of the most important pieces in your system to maintain and control the water around your home. Some of the basic things that the homeowner needs to do is make sure that your sump pump is working. You have a float system in there. You can pour water in there, or you can simply reach in and lift this float system up in order to see if it turns on and off by itself automatically. Make sure that the sediment in that is free and clear in there, because it will extend the life of your sump pump. It won't work as hard because it can handle a higher volume of water. Make sure that your discharge hose is on, moving the water away. Come winter, it's very important for you to take that discharge hose off and maybe put a concrete splash pad or something underneath it to move the water away from the home.
All right, when it comes to your home, protect what matters most. Visit shieldfoundationrepair.ca.